When it comes to teaching in the 21st century, I believe that there are 6 important skills and necessities that a teacher should have in this century. One of these is the idea of communication. It is key and super important. It's necessary that the teacher has a way of getting in contact with his or her students, and likewise with the student to the teacher. This is why I believe that it's super important that a teacher understands how to use and how to work their email. As you can see, I have my Purdue email up on the screen right now, and you can see the several different types of emails that I get throughout the day. Some vary from school, some opportunities that I can have during school, but most likely for a teacher, it will be messages between the student and his or herself. Now, with email, there's not too much you have to know about. There's obviously the delete button if it's something that you just really don't need in your mailbox. The most important thing is the new email. Once you click that button, you will be able to create a new email to your students. And all you have to do is type in the email address and hopefully send a message, and it will get right to them quickly and right away. So going along with communication, I also believe that collaborating is the idea that the students have an ability to work together. Now, when it comes to collaborating, I believe that one of the essential keys to use is Google Drive. This, you can use many different types of folders, many different types of documents, and all you have to do is just share it with another member. This member can then have the opportunity to either only be able to look at it, to view it, or they can also edit mistakes or edit a project that you might be working on. This allows students to keep in touch while also not in the same classroom. Now, going off of collaborating, I also believe that critical thinking is huge. It's a way for the student to express what they think in their own ways of learning and educating. Now, it's super easy to find questions and some answers that you could ask for either quizzes or tests or worksheets in your classroom. Like here, all I had to do was I literally typed in critical questions for students, and it came up with a perfect graph and table that shows exactly what questions you can ask of who, what, where, when, why, how. And these can go in more depth. It allows the student to explain themselves and just so that it doesn't just have one common answer. Now, I also believe that creativity plays along with the critical thinking. It's important that students are able to express themselves in their own way. And I believe that sometimes when they do express themselves is when they really learn the most. I love to use the website called Pinterest. It's a way of just kind of finding new ideas, new crafts, new ways to create a new project, all that kind of stuff. And it allows the student that they could also use. They can search how they should make their poster, how they should make their PowerPoint. There's so many different types of opportunities and ideas that they have on this website. It's truly amazing. Now, these were just the 6, and I'm sure there's many more. But I hope you learned a little on how to use these skills, because now you are a future teacher in the 21st century. Thank you.